Apply the glue all the way around. There you go. Got the glue on the pipe. Now you want to put some glue inside of your coupling. You don't put too much, you don't want to clog the pipe off. So once you got that there glued, stick it on one end, give it a little quarter turn, make sure that glue's all the way around. Do the same on the other side. Once you get that stuck in, quarter turn back the other way, and that should be it. One side glue. Okay. Now to do the other side. This is going to be a little different because we got to add some pipe to it. So, the piece we cut off isn't quite long enough. Luckily, I brought a stick with me that will be long enough. So what we'll do here is go ahead and glue on a coupling on the one side of it. So that way we can get the measurement. Push it on, little quarter turn. The glue went on this side. Make sure your pipe's clean off. Push that bad boy up, like the messed up. Glue it. Glue this side too. Always glue on both sides. Put glue on everything. Glue everywhere. Okay. Push that in. Make sure it sits all the way in the back. Give a little quarter turn. Pretty work, all right? Now, we got the pipe extended over. So we'll pull it to where it's going to fit. Yep. Okay, and then proceed to cut. We'll be right there. So we cut this right there. Clean the end of it off. Get them little spurs off of it. Get all the trash out of it. You don't want no water, trash going up into your line. May clog your faucets up, especially showers. The shower heads. Okay. Make sure it's dry. All my napkins is soaked up. That sucks. But got to clean it off. Clean it. Wipe it with my hand here a little bit. That'll dry it up some. With my hand. Okay, pretty work. All right, now here's the easy part. Yeah, just glue everything. Go ahead and glue the pipe first. Glue. All right, glue your coupling. Like I said, I done showed you. Just stick your little bit of glue in there on both sides. Twist a little ball around. Make sure you get the glue all the way around it. I don't know if you can see in there, it's a little dark under here, but looks like I could use a little bit more glue in that. Okay, that's that. So push it on one side, little quarter turn, push it on the other side. Bam. That's that. And that's how you fix the plumbing. Now I'm going to strap it up and everything. I don't think you guys really need to see that. I can explain it to you. Just get you some strap, stick on here, make sure it's firm. Don't want it sagging. Water gets in there, it's gonna make it heavy. It's gonna fall down a little bit. But besides that, and we're done. I'm out. That's how you repair a plumbing pipe. Thanks for watching.